Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope so you all are fine. Today I have a question: x square plus x square divided by x plus 1 whole square, which is equal to 3, and we will find the value of x from above equation. So here we have x square plus x square divided by x plus 1 whole square. So we can see that in both terms we have x square is common. So we will take x square is common, and now we have left x square divided by x square will be equal to 1 plus this divided by this will be equal to 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square, which is equal to 3. Now x square and it is same as 1 divided by 1. So we will take LCM of 1 and x plus 1 whole square. So the LCM of 1 and x plus 1 whole square is x plus 1 whole square. So 1 into this will be equal to x plus 1 whole square. So we will multiply x plus 1 whole square with numerator. So it will become x plus 1 whole square plus x plus 1 whole square 1 time x plus 1 whole square. So we will multiply 1 with 1. So it will be equal to 1 and it is equal to 3. Now x square, and it is the form of a plus b whole square. So we can write it as x square plus 2x plus 1 and this plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square, which is equal to 3. Now we will add like terms. So it will be equal to x square into x square plus 2x plus 2 divided by x plus 1 whole square, which is equal to 3. So x square, and now we will divide x square with x plus 1 whole square and 2x plus 2 divided by x plus 1 whole square separately. So it will become x square divided by x plus 1 whole square plus 2x plus 2 divided by x plus 1 whole square, and it will be equal to 3. x square divided by x plus 1 whole square plus, we will take common 2, so it will become x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square, which will be equal to 3. So from here x plus 1 and x plus 1 will be cancelled out. Now we will multiply this x square inside the bracket, so it will become x raised to the power 4. So we can write x raised to the power 4 as x raised to the power 2 and its square, and divided by x plus 1 whole square. X raised to the power 4 and x raised to the power 2 and its whole part is same as x raised to the power 4. So it will become 2 and x square will become 2x square. 2x square divided by x plus 1, which is equal to 3. We can write it as x square divided by x plus 1 whole square because powers are same. So we can write it as x square divided by x plus 1 and its whole square plus 2 times x square divided by x plus 1, which is equal to 3. Now you can see that x square divided by x plus 1 and x square divided by x plus 1 are same. So we'll let that u is equal to x square divided by x plus 1. So above equation will become u square plus 2 times u and this 3 will become negative when it will change its position from equal side, so it will become minus 3, which is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation, so we will make its factors. So product should be equal to 3 and sum should be equal to plus 2. So u square plus 3u minus u minus 3 is equal to 0. 3 1 time 3, negative 3, and plus 3u minus u will be equal to plus 2u. Now we will take common u. So it will become u plus 3, and from here we have minus 1 is common, and we have left u plus 3, which is equal to 0. Now you can see that here u plus 3 are common. So u plus 3, and here we have u minus 1, which is equal to 0. So from here we have two factors which are equal to 0. U plus 3 is equal to 0 and u minus 1 is equal to 0. So u plus 3 is equal to 0 and u minus 1 is equal to 0. From here we have u is equal to minus 3, and from here we have u is equal to plus 1. But we have already supposed that u is equal to x square divided by x plus 1. So above equations will become x square divided by x plus 1, which is equal to minus 3, and here u is equal to 1, so it will be equal to x square divided by x plus 1 is equal to 1. So here if we take 1, so we will do its cross multiplication. So x square and 1 will be equal to x square, and it will be equal to minus 3x minus 3, and it will be equal to x square into 1 will be x square, and it will be equal to x 1 time x and 1 time 1. So it will become x square plus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0, and it will become x square minus x minus 1 will be equal to 0. Now both equations are quadratic equations, so we will apply quadratic formula on both equations. So first of all we will solve this one. So quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So it will be equal to, b is 3, so it will be equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of b squares means 3 square minus 4ac mean 4 into 1 into 3, 12. Divided by 2a, 2 into 1 will be equal to 2. So x will be equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of 3 squares means 9 minus 12 divided by 2. So x will be equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of minus 3 divided by 2, and x is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of 3, and negative of square root of 1 will be equal to iota divided by 2. So this is the value of x for this equation. Now we will solve x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0 by quadratic formula. So we will just put the values in above formula. So equation is x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So minus b means minus into minus 1 plus minus square root of b square mean minus 1 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 will be equal to plus 4 divided by 2 into 1 will be equal to 2. So x is equal to 1 plus minus square root of negative 1 square means 1 plus 4 divided by 2. So x is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 2. So from this equation we have these two values of x. So here we have four values of x, which are minus 3 plus minus square root of 3 iota divided by 2, and x is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.